Hi, Madam La Cochera. I'm back, and as promised, we're gonna do part 2 of unboxing netong exciting macarons, the Labubu ang, collection. So, may tatlo na tayong nakuha kanina. Review. Tingnan na muna natin what the other two are. So, we already got, ano ba yung nakuha kanina? Sesame, the green, and toffee. So, we are looking for yung basta yung dark brown. Nakalimutan ko kasi hindi naman yun para sa akin. Hi EJ, shout out ang sponsor ng mga Labubu. Shout out din kay Uncle Gio, Glenford Calao, umuwi na siya. But he helped us secure this in Singapore kasi guys, nakakaubusan talaga as in. So, ito. Kakabalik lang pala namin manood ng Mongolcan sa Marina Bay Sands Theater. So, we'll see. Teka. Hanapin natin yung card. Okay. Hindi ko daw muna makikita. Anong nakikita nyo? Lychee berry. So, the pink one. Na natin. Or, ipa-fast forward ko na lang to. So, fast forward now. That's it. Bye! Thank you for unboxing with me, Ael.
Bye!
Bye, mama!